We'll guide you through how to make sound and audio ID public on Roblox. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. This is the great thing to do because others are then able to go and use it. They can go and use it in their Roblox games and experiences. So we're going to guide you through how you can go about this step by step. Make sure this full guide and don't skip anything. And without any further ado, let's get started. So what you want to do is come to the Roblox site, come to roblox.com and sign in. Now, what you need to do is go to the top here and you can go and press create. If you get taken to a landing page, just come to the URL address bar at the top of your browser and type in create.roblox.com and you'll be brought here. Next, come to the left and you need to go and find the option for creations and you need to head to the top and go and find development items like so. Now, what you need to do is come over here at the top and go and find the option for audio like so. Now, you may already have it uploaded. If you don't worry. We're going to guide you through that now. If you don't, you can go and make sure it matches the requirements. The format needs to be MP3, OGG, FLAC, or WAV, and the max file size is 20 megabytes. So you can press upload asset and you want to press upload. Your file explorer will open and you can go and locate it. So mine's just my desktop. I'm already here, which is great. So you can select it and press open and it's now got it selected. So now what you can do is go and name it. And you can go and add a description as well. And after you've done that, we can then go and confirm the upload at the bottom, press upload. Go and wait, it shouldn't go and take too long. This is only a small file. So as you can see, we've now uploaded it. You may be in the position of where you have already uploaded it as well. It doesn't matter. So now what we need to do to go make it public is we can go and put it on the creator store. So what you can do is go and click on it and wait. And then what we can do here is you want to come down. When we come down here, you can go and see distribute on creator store is currently unavailable. What you need to do is go to the top right and go and press on your profile icon and find the option for settings. Now come to the left and press eligibility. And then you can go down here and you want to find audio distribution. So it says to publicly distribute audio, you need to fulfill the prerequisites and agree to our terms of use. So what we need to do is go and verify our ID here, press verify to the right, and this will pop up. Scroll down and we need to go and see our age here. So I'm going to go and press continue with ID as we need to go and verify it with ID. Shortly, we're going to go and get a pop-up. So we're going to use the camera to verify our birthday. We're going to need government ID to go and use it to verify our birthday. We can press continue. Go and wait, choose the country where the ID is from, press continue. Choose what it is. I'll use a driver license. Now, if you've got a camera on your device, you can use that. I've got a webcam. Otherwise, press continue on another device. A QR code is then generated and you can go and scan that with the camera app on a phone. So Android or iPhone, you can use that. I've got a webcam, so I'll press continue. You then need to go and take a photo yourself. I've now successfully verified and we can go and press OK like so. Now you can return here and refresh the page and we've successfully verified ourselves. Now you need to go and read through this. I've already read through the terms of use, so I'll agree there. And make sure you're the lawful owner of the content. Make sure it doesn't upload or infringe on third-party rights, and you have the right to grant Roblox a perpetual and royalty-free license to the content. Agree to all of that if you do and press submit. And now you can go and see it's pending. So now what you can do is press view audio assets to the right, and you can go and click on it here, and then you can scroll down, and we've got the approved to distribute. So what you can then do is go and switch this on like this, and you can then go and press save changes like so. You can come back to the audio items here and press the three dots to the right and copy the asset ID, which is the audio ID and sound ID,